Linux Mint 22 is here with several impactful changes. But what are the key features that makes it a worthy upgrade over the older release or other distros? Let me highlight the best ones to help you decide before you upgrade. So hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Without getting much more delayed, let's get started. First of all, talk about unverified Flatpak packages disabled on Linux Mint 22. One of my favorite security features in Linux Mint 22 is aimed at improving Flatpak app experience. Linux Mint does not push snaps by default, favoring Flatpak instead. However, to ensure safety, the software manager will not list unverified Flatpak applications. By default, you will only see verified packages, but you can manually toggle the options to show unverified applications if you trust the maintainer. Linux Mint team has incorporated one of Matrix's finest cleaned app element into the OS. This app allows you to impact with the Mint community, get support, and join existing Matrix communities. Linux Mint 22 lets you customize the application available in the right-click context menu on the Cinnamon 6.2 desktop. Here on the Action, Add, and Tweak options under the New Layout section. Adding startup applications via GUI has been made more convenient with the addition of a search bar. Following it, quickly find the app you want to add a startup item. Features like the search bar for startup apps and Nemo actions are limited to the Cinnamon 6.2 edition. However, the rest are accessible across all editions. When creating a new sticky note, you can configure where it should be displayed from the system tray, eliminating the need to repositioning the notes every time. PipeWire, a new take that allows better connectivity to modern audio devices and supports wavelength, has replaced pulse audio. This switch enhanced compatibility, especially with Flatpak applications. The standard ISO of Linux Mint 22 features Linux Kernel 6.8, which includes various improvements for the latest gen graphics cards and CPUs. Linux Mint 22 download link will be given in the description. Thanks for watching.